This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get a free account on Payhip. So I'm right here on one of the main Payhip pages. First things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click that link, you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar. Now, depending on what Payhip are offering, you'll get some kind of bonus depending on the offer that they currently have going on. But it is all going to depend on when you actually click that link as to what they're offering. But if you want to get your free account, very simply, you will enter your email here and you will click get started for free. That is how you get that free account with Payhip. I'll go quickly through the pricing now. So you can sign up for free here as well. Now they do have a free forever plan. That's obviously $0 per month. There is a 5% transaction fee there on that plan. As you can see, the transaction fees scale down as you pay more. So then they have this $29 plan and the $99 Pro plan as well. So you get all features, you get unlimited products and unlimited revenue with all of these. The only differentiator is the amount of transaction fee that you will be paying. And that is different to the PayPal and Stripe charges, as you can see here, that are reflected differently. But essentially, Payhip will take 5% of the transaction fee there. They'll only take 2% there, and then they will take a 0 with this $99 plan because you're paying them $99. There's some frequently asked questions down at the bottom there if you want more information. But the main thing is click my link, get the free account of Payhip, check out the platform, see if it is for you. You can get started now. There's no credit card required at all. Pretty cool. I've been using Payhip for a while for a few of my different online businesses, and my wife uses them as well actually for her stuff. So check out my link, see if it is the right platform for you, and hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.